Hello, I'm Justin Hare. I'm Sherwin-Williams Oil and Gas Midstream Market Segment Manager for North America. Hey, today I'm joined again by two of our global subject matter experts regarding tank lining applications. Brian Buckta, who's based here in the United States, and then also Michael Harrison, who's based in the UK. Today's short video is in regards to 30-year tank linings. Brian, with our vast applications and field documented case histories, could you reflect on one of your recent projects involving a refined product storage tank and our DuraPlate UHS tank lining material?
Thank you, Justin. It was great to be a part of this project. I initially received a call from an owner concerning a tank that had been in service for 20 years. He was asking for our recommendation and approval to put this tank back in service for 10 more years until the next inspection. Initially, this tank was specified with our recommendation of a one-coat, fast-cure system, which saved them time and money while still providing the performance that they desired. When they saw the opportunity to gain 10 more years of service out of this low initial investment, they were very eager for our opinion and expressed the savings they would see on this project. I asked for inspection reports, traveled to the site to perform my own inspection, and was very impressed with what I saw. There was only slight mechanical damage from the cleaning process. There was no corrosion, no damage to the weld seams or the annular ring. DFTs were all in check, and the adhesion was phenomenal. This resulted in my recommendation of putting this tank back in service for 10 more years. I think it's a shining example, among many others since, of what can be accomplished when all parties work together to assure the longest life of an asset. From recommendations to specifications, the application to the inspection process. We'll be inspecting this tank in just a few more years, and I'm hoping we can recommend another 10 years of service life. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate it.
Mike, in listening to Brian's evaluation of our existing tank lining, could you reflect on some of the chemistry benefits of our DuraPlate UHS tank lining and what would make that particular product perform for up to 30 years life expectancy?
Thanks, Justin and Brian. The key to this is having a strong design profile, which Sherwin have identified as being essential for all our linings going forward. And in this case, we had to build in the balance between low permeability, high chemical resistance, superior flexibility and adhesion, such that the lining would resist the chemicals inside of the bulk storage tank and the continual loading and unloading seen during the life of the tank. In addition to this, we built in superior edge retention properties and pit filling capabilities such that we could protect those areas which are most critical for the performance of the lining. Finally, as part of the design, we built in ease of cleaning and damage resistance such that the lining will not only perform during its intended service, but during planned inspections it will resist rigorous cleaning protocols which might otherwise damage the lining. All of these materials and properties put together create the lining which gives you the performance that we're starting to see from the DuraPlate UHS.
Brian, Mike, we thank you for joining us today and sharing your vast knowledge of the tank lining industry. And we certainly look forward to speaking with you again.